Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, in celebration of me reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I started a giveaway on Gleam to win a Merr Power 5 Stunt kit. This one. If you want to see how I made this one, there are videos on the channel. I'll leave some links around somewhere. Yeah. So we had the giveaway running on Gleam, and I'm about to draw the winner. So let's get to it. As you can see here, we had 304 entries and competition ended. That's good. So we're going to open up Gleam competitions. Here we go. Here we go. That's finished. So winners. One prize only. So here we go. We're going to draw the winners. We're going to have one, and 73 of you entered out of all those entries. So here we go. And there we go. The winner is Alex Norseworthy. Well done. Don't worry, I'll blur out your email. But you are the winner of the Merr Power 5 kit. Well done. I'll send you an email to confirm, and maybe even on Facebook as well, if I can find you. But well done. Thank you to everyone who entered. It was really fun running the first giveaway. I hope you enjoy your prize, Alex, and I'll get that sent to you as soon as possible. That's about it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.